Welcome to Webstyle Plus. Do you want to use Github Copilot Free Online? So we already have ChatGPT web version for free to use. We have Meta AI web version free to use. Then we have Gemini from Google free to use. We also have Hugging Face Chat with multiple LLM models free to use. We have Olama and many more. And now we have GitHub Copilot free web-based version to use. This is a pure treat for web developers. What do you see at the top? GPT-4o. That's right, free ChatGPT-4. Click the drop-down and you can select between GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet for free. GitHub Copilot free version is also available on Visual Studio Code. It will help you write better code. It can also find issues assigned to you. So it will also help you use GitHub in a better way. Free AI is all over the place and I love it. You can save your conversations. You can attach repository or extension. You can browse extensions marketplace from here. It's a game changer and it's got something different to offer. Go check it out. And in free, you have 50 chats and 2000 code completions per month. It's plenty. When it runs out, you have other free AI services, right? Let me know which one do you like. Links in description. I hope it helped. Like this video if you would like more AI stuff. See you in the next one.